recent modern improvements to our lifestyle and food supply damaged our health? Could our desire to be clean and safe actually be putting us at risk for a host of chronic illnesses? Well, Dr. Josh Axe joins us this morning with guidance to help everyone get a little dirty to reclaim their health and even lose weight. Doctor, thank you so much for joining me this morning.
Hey, thanks for having me, Heather.
Well, I think this is fascinating, this concept that Americans are just too clean. What does that really mean, and how is it affecting our health?
Well, sure. Well, you know, what's happened is we've really swung the pendulum too far in the other direction with antibiotics. There's no doubt early on those save lives. But what's happened is not only are we killing some of the bad bacteria in our environment, we're killing a lot of the good bacteria and probiotics in our gut, because antibiotics are in everything now, from the things we clean our clothes with, to prescription antibiotic drugs, to hand sanitizers with triclosan in them, to our personal care products like our lotions and shampoos, even our cleaning products. All of these things have antibiotics in them, and they're killing off the good bacteria in our gut. And probiotics in our gut are responsible for protecting our gut lining. They help with nutrient absorption. They're responsible for your immune system. And so we're really lacking these. And so our fear today of germs and the use of antibiotics has really destroyed our guts as well, causing a condition called leaky gut syndrome. And leaky gut is the root cause of all disease.
Okay, before we get into leaky gut syndrome, I want to talk about some of the things you just mentioned, because I feel like several red flags were just raised. I use hand sanitizer every day. I mean, I use cleaning products around our house. So the question is, doctor, is there anything that we can do? Is there still a way to use these products without harming ourselves?
Yeah, Heather, you know what? In my book, Eat Dirt, I really get into this, is that we need to start replacing with all these chemicals with natural herb-based products like essential oils. In fact, my wife, Chelsea, loves to carry around a little bit of lavender and tea tree oil in her purse. So if we go into a public restroom, you know, rather than using the chemicals in their hand sanitizer, we use a little bit of tea tree oil or lavender oil, because those are natural antimicrobials. It's the same thing. My wife and I both use essential oils for our shampoo. In fact, I have a recipe in my book for a rosemary oil hair thickening shampoo. I've got recipe for a lavender body lotion, and a cleaning product using cinnamon essential oil and lemon oil. So again, the great thing is, it's not that we shouldn't do these, it's not that we shouldn't be sanitary, it's that we're going overboard with antibiotics and should be using natural products that have essential oils in them.
And essential oils are great for so many things. I know you mentioned a few of the items that we can use them for, but they're really great for just our health and well-being. Is that right?
Yeah, absolutely. In fact, it's the most ancient form of medicine. And in my book, Eat Dirt, I get into how to use essential oils, the best ones for different conditions. And, frankincense oil is an oil that's anti-inflammatory, so it's good for arthritis, and it's good for boosting the immune system. You have essential oils like lavender and chamomile, which are great for relaxation and reducing stress on the body. And you have herbs and oils like peppermint, which actually have been shown to help support your digestion and even relieve muscle pains and headaches. So there's a lot of different uses medicinally for essential oils.
Well, doctor, I'm on board with the essential oils. I used peppermint this morning for a headache, and it worked like a charm. But before I let you go, I want to talk a little bit more about that leaky gut syndrome that you mentioned. Is there any way to cure that?
Yeah, there absolutely is. I've taken care of thousands of patients, Heather, over the years who have leaky gut and helped them heal. And by the way, leaky gut is the root cause of all disease. And if anybody has any one of these issues, that means they have leaky gut. If you have food sensitivities or allergies, that's leaky gut. Hypothyroidism, autoimmune disease, headaches, depression, anxiety, any type of joint pain, skin issues such as eczema, psoriasis, acne, those are all caused by leaky gut. And leaky gut occurs when we get too large of holes in our gut lining, and proteins like gluten, toxins, bad bacteria, those enter in our bloodstream, causing system-wide inflammation and an immune response by the body. So the way to really heal that, just a few things are: get more probiotic-rich foods, consume foods that help heal the gut lining like bone broth, use essential oils, and I have a whole lot more in my book on ways to heal that, how to heal leaky gut as well.
Well, doctor, it sounds like we could all benefit from your book. Where can we get that?
Sure, you can check out eatdirtbook.com. Also, just go to Amazon.com. You should see what people are saying about my book on there. People are raving about it. So just look up Eat Dirt on Amazon, or go to your local bookstore or Barnes & Noble. The book is found nationwide.
We sure will. Doctor, thank you so much for speaking with us today.
Awesome. Thanks for having me, Heather.
Now stay where you are. The Morning Blend will be right back.